Namaste everyone. I am Reena. Welcome back to my channel Radiant Spirit. I am a Reiki healer, Reiki consultant, but with the videos like this, I try to bring back that radiant spirit in your life and look at life with different enthusiasm. So let's get started. My today's topic is how can we retain and sustain motivation and spirit in our lives? From time to time, when things get boring and monotonous, my motivation to act gets flags a bit. Just like this invisible air without which we cannot live, there is this invisible impetus without which we cannot work. So, at such times, what shall we do to bring that zip back? I have few tried and tested hacks which I use regularly to get me stimulated instantly at times. So, what would be the first one? The first one is make yourself a vision board. So, what is this vision board? A vision board is a pictorial representation of your dream, of your imagination. According to you, what is the ideal form of your body, of your hair, of your house, of your bedroom, of your kitchen, of your wardrobe, of your dressing table? It could be anything. Either you paste it on a whiteboard or make a book and paste the cuttings from the magazines and the newspaper into that book and keep it where you often spend your time the most. And keep referring it so that it lets you know that this is not the end. You have to go miles to achieve that something which is there in that dream book, and that will spur you on action. The second one is set new targets every month. At your work level, at your learning level, at your health level, also in the domain of your personal relationships. Always set new targets and upgrade the earlier ones regularly. Now, what do you mean by regularly? At least once in a month. These targets will always keep you up and about. The third is break down your problem. At times, even the smallest problem can baffle you and dull your senses. So, segregate the problems into small units, attack one at a time, and soon you will be on top of it. For example, you have a stage fear. You feel nervous when you are asked to speak in front of the audience. Why do you feel nervous? Is it the content which is making you nervous, or your body posture, or the language, or the voice? Identify it carefully, master it, and soon you will have listeners on their feet in front of you. The fourth is indulge yourself. Sometimes the solution to lack of drive could be doing something you love, eating that whole chocolate bar, going for a run, or cooking the food or ordering the food which you love, redecorating your room, cleaning your shelf, or talking to your bum pal, whatever. I have found my spirits revived by reading about great people like Ratan Tata, Narayan Murthy, Karsanbhai Patel, Indra Nooyi. Go search for your book. The fifth and the most important solution is take care of your body. I have found that whenever I ask my body to do something for me and it doesn't listen to me, it's only because I did not listen to it in the first place. Our body tries to give us a lot of signs and signals, but we tend to ignore. So, sleep well, dress well, be clean, exercise regularly, drink lots of water, and always be happy. Your body is your best motivator, trust me. I have given you my handful of suggestions. Let me know how did you feel it and which one worked well for you. You can either WhatsApp me or connect with me on my Instagram channel, or you can post the comments down below. It will be fun to read your views. Thank you so much. Keep in touch. Take care. Bye.